Welcome to our YouTube trivia video. Today, we're diving into some fascinating trivia about the most common questions users have about Adobe Illustrator. So whether you're a beginner or a pro, stick around to learn some valuable insights about this powerful vector graphics program. The first question users often ask is, what are the minimum system requirements to run Illustrator? According to the Adobe Illustrator FAQ, the minimum requirements include an Intel Pentium 4 or AMD Athlon 64 processor, 8 GB of RAM, 16 GB recommended, Windows 7 with Service Pack 1 or Windows 10, version 1709 or later for PC users, and macOS X v10.13 or later for Mac users. Make sure you have at least 2 GB of available hard disk space for installation, and it's recommended to use an SSD. Don't forget a monitor resolution of 1024 x 768, 1920 x 1080 recommended, and a GPU that supports OpenGL4X. Oh, and don't forget an internet connection for software activation and access to online services. Now, let's talk about the latest features in Adobe Illustrator CC 2023. Released in July 2023, Illustrator CC 2023 has some exciting enhancements. Creative Cloud libraries allow you to access assets across various Adobe apps and share them with team members for easy collaboration. The Curvature tool simplifies drawing smooth curves and lines with easy editing options. Area type auto-sizing automatically resizes your text box as you edit text, making your workflow smoother. The Touch Workspace is perfect for touch-enabled devices, allowing you to draw and edit with your finger or a pen. Plus, the Join tool lets you join paths effortlessly. How can I get started with Illustrator? If you're new to the program, fear not. There are fantastic resources available to help you get started. Check out the official Adobe Illustrator tutorials for various skill levels and topics. Don't forget the comprehensive user guide available on the Adobe website in PDF format, perfect for offline learning. And to really immerse yourself in the Illustrator community, join online forums, ask questions, and share tips with fellow artists. Another common question users ask is, how can I create a table in Illustrator? While Illustrator doesn't have a dedicated table tool, you can create one with some simple steps. Start by drawing a rectangle with the dimensions you want for your table. Then, select the rectangle, go to Object, choose Path, and then split into grid. Input the number of columns and rows you need, set the gutter box to 0 px, and voila, you have a table ready to be customized. What is the difference between a layer and a group? Good question. Both layers and groups help organize your artwork, but they serve different purposes. A layer is a collection of stacked objects with various attributes like visibility and blending modes. On the other hand, a group treats multiple objects as a single unit, making it easier to move, scale, or rotate them together. Let's move on to exporting your artwork in different formats. This is essential for sharing your creations with the world. Whether it's PDF, PNG, JPEG, or SVG, Illustrator has got you covered. Just select your artwork or artboard, go to File, and choose Export. From there, you can select your desired format and settings and export away. Next up is the powerful pen tool. Mastering it might be a challenge, but once you do, you'll wield great creative power. Understand the basic concepts of paths, anchor points, direction points, curves, and shapes. With the pen tool selected, click to create anchor points and drag to create curves. Remember, you can always use the direct selection tool or the anchor point tool to fine-tune your paths. Last but not least, let's learn how to create stunning gradients in Illustrator. Gradients add depth and dimension to your artwork. To create one, select the object, open the gradient panel, and choose linear or radial. Then, click on the color stops to adjust the colors, and drag them along the gradient bar to control their position. That's it for our trivia video on the most common questions users have about Adobe Illustrator. We hope you found these trivia helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more exciting content. Thanks for watching and happy illustrating!